We'll try to deliver on time, so maybe we'll be a little bit quicker than 15 minutes. Hello, everybody. My name is Nick Neubauer. I'm co-founder and managing director of a company called ivoflow. What we bring to the market is obviously a digital solution for procurement. We heard the nice pitch of Lena, which was more around sustainability and risk mitigation. We focus with our solution a little bit more on the commercial side of things. And yeah, I'm very happy to have Achim Bielesch with me today, one of our very loyal customers. And yeah, we want to get you some insights into our joint journey we had, which was on one hand side a digital transformation project in procurement, but we were really much focusing on also empowering the people to make sure we not just deploy a digital tool, but also making sure that the people are trained and yeah, in charge of their responsibilities. With having this said, I hand over to Achim.
You need to jump in your slides a little bit.
Yeah, maybe 2-3 sentences about ivoflow before I give the word to Achim on Voltaira. Yeah, ivoflow, I think I've mainly said it. We are a digital solution provider. And in our company, I would say we combine two major strengths. On one hand side, most of our team has been working in the automotive tier 1, tier 2 world, hands-on in strategic procurement. So we bring the expertise to the table. But on the other hand side, we are making sure that we bring the right digital solution and latest technology, and to combine those both strengths to deliver, in the end of the day, bottom line value and profitability impact to our customers, especially in the pretty much fast and dynamic markets we are facing right now. Yeah, I've said it, customer base is mainly automotive. That's why we're here today. We have a global customer base varying from OEMs to tier 1s and tier 2s. And now, finally, I hand it over to Achim to learn a little bit more about Voltaira. Achim.
Nicolas, thank you. Hello, everyone. My name is Achim Bielesch. I'm head of procurement at Voltaira Group. And I'm eager to share my experience about implementing innovative artificial intelligence technology in procurement together with ivoflow. I give you 2 slides, a little bit more insights about Voltaira, and the second I will give more details on what we did. Voltaira itself, can you go one back, please?
Sure.
All right. Voltaira Group is specialized in e-mobility solutions and belongs to Foxconn Interconnect Technology, short version FIT. FIT, a leading global provider of connectivity solutions and belonging then to a much bigger group, which is called Hon Hai Technology Group. We are serving around the world. We have about 13 destinations. We are globally manufacturing from Americas, from Asia, from India, from Europe, and from Northern Africa. Voltaira, too fast, thank you. Voltaira is a trusted strategic partner for OEM and tier 1 mobility leaders, and we serve customers worldwide with a local presence. Our enthusiasm lies in delivering the future directly to you, whether it is a solution that seamless senses, connects, or electrifies. We are dedicated to bringing advanced e-mobility technologies to our customer through joint development projects and independent R&D activities. Our vision is to facilitate innovative mobility solutions that enhance connectivity in a rapidly evolving world. Now I'll give you a little bit more insight of the project we did. We heard it in some presentations before. First was a vision. Yes, we have developed a vision and a mission for global procurement at Voltaira as a long-term strategy to support the company's entire change process. Based on that vision and mission, one of our goals was to develop global procurement from operational driven to a key driver of business success. The 3 main pillars of the journey were the development of our people and skills, competitiveness, and digitalization. The combination of these three pillars was one of our success stories. We have designed a landscape along to the end-to-end process. You can say source to contract, procure to pay. And with that, we specifically for digitalization, including supporting software for global procurement specific requirements. We found ivoflow. The task was to find a software that was not suitable for running the operational business. That's why we have ERP systems. We have been looking for an artificial intelligence to support our employees in global procurement. Finally, after global research and case studies, we chose ivoflow. ivoflow supported what we are looking for, various ERP systems and recorded and release levels, fast implementation time, software supports the needs and leverages we have in procurement, and not only a reporting software. We achieved quick results with the software, and now we have a symbiosis. Learning software, teachable, with knowledge, and the development of procurement processes and employee skills. So that was from my side. I will hand over then back to Nicolas.
Thanks, Achim, and thanks for the kind words about ivoflow and our joint journey. For your information, it has been a little bit better than with changing the slides. Apologize for that. So Achim said a little bit about the journey. They wanted to focus on digital on the one hand side, wanted to focus on people enablement on the other hand side, and I think one important criteria was also the competitiveness side of things. And what we are focusing with ivoflow, we are trying to visualize here a little bit. We try to identify values which are fast to implement, which have an immediate impact. And what do we do at ivoflow? What is our product in a nutshell? We focus on four main pillars. Pillar one is data integration. Achim told a little bit about the challenges with having multiple different ERP systems across their global operations. That was one thing we streamlined into a platform, but we also enriched it, and this is, I think, very crucial and important, with external market intelligence data. What has a certain dynamic on the market and what is impacting the commercial performance of an organization. I'm thinking about raw material cost developments, which have been super fast and super dynamic over the last, especially 2-3 years. I'm talking about logistics, tariffs, duties. We have global trade wars still ongoing and a lot of changes and dynamic in this field. I'm talking about exchange rates, etc. So we build a data ecosystem, not only combining the internal data, so the internal silos the companies are often focusing on, but also connected the data what happening on the market, and we put them together. In the second step, we generated obviously transparency. I think that's typically what digital solutions do, driving efficiency, generating transparency. Transparency is always the jump-off point to build strategies. But I think there are other solutions on the market which can do this as well. But our main value, our key driver is again identifying commercial potentials, which help the organizations to reduce costs, to ensure they are buying at the market price level. And I think I always hear the feedback when I talk to multiple tier ones. They have no idea at the moment what is the right market price level after all the hurdles and ups and downs over the last 24, 36 months. So with those insights, we want to give proactive advice to the procurement people. We want to be their support. We want to be their co-pilot in helping them identifying the right price level on a part number level, identifying new leverage points with their suppliers, and also help to offset inflation. Once those things are identified by our product and notified to the respective procurement individuals, we also give them the ability within our platform to execute it, right? Just having an idea without executing them, it's also not the best. So we try to focus on end-to-end data integration, transparency, new actionable insights, and also the execution of those. Finally, the results, what have we been able to achieve together? And re-emphasizing on the three pillars Achim mentioned earlier, IT and digitalization. I just explained it. We built a single source of truth. We built a solid data foundation combining internal disrupted data with disrupted data coming from the market. People and skills. We use the now generated transparency, the now generated insights to train the people and to do the transformation from a more operational driven procurement function to really enabler for business success. And then competitiveness. I think this was the third pillar which we were focusing on in our combined journey. And obviously Voltaira has multiple different categories, all with the individual complexity and undergoing difficult and challenging and different also market movements. And in the end of the day, in the different commodities, we were able to identify 3 to 5% in new cost down opportunities, which the team was then in the end of the day able to successfully implement, which then obviously has a direct impact on profitability, competitiveness, helping organizations to gain market share. So this was our journey in a nutshell. Again, thank you, Achim, for supporting us here, ivoflow, today on the stage. Very much appreciated from our end. And we are also here with the booth. If you have any questions to myself, to Achim, our lessons learned, the things which went super well, the things we learned together, feel free to join us at our booth. We are happy to answer any questions you might have. Thank you.
Thank you, Nicolas.